Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to start chapter number 4, Practical Geometry from class 8 NCERT book. Dear student, in the previous videos we had already completed chapter number 1, 2 and 3, isn't it? But you people didn't ask me any doubt. So here we are starting chapter number 4, Practical Geometry. Since in this chapter no definition is there, we have to do the constructions work. So directly we are going to start exercise 4.1. There will be no definitions in this chapter. So what is the first questions in this exercise? It says here what you have to do, construct the following. What you have to do over here, construct the following quadrilateral. A quadrilateral values is given over here. With the help of this measurement you have to construct the quadrilateral. And what is the name of a quadrilateral is ABCD. Okay. So our first step is to construct a quadrilateral of a rough sketch. यहाँ पर सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, quadrilateral बनाएंगे और उस quadrilateral का एक rough sketch बनाएंगे. So here without measurement, if suppose I made a quadrilateral, okay, let it be AB 4.5, then BC 5.5 centimeter, then CD 4 centimeter, then AD 6 centimeter, and AC that is diagonal will be 7 centimeter. This is the rough sketch of this measurement. Now that will be we are going to apply the practical geometry form. So for the practical geometry form, what you need, a geometry box. In that a rounder should be there, eraser should be there, pencil should be there, and most important thing is scale should be there with you. Okay. So first what you are going to do, first you are going to use the base, because बेस से ही तो पूरा स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म होता है ना. जब बेस ही नहीं रहेगा तो क्या ड्रॉ करोगे. ठीक है. इन ऑर्डर टू क्रिएट अ होम, when we are going to construct a building, first what we are going to create, we are going to create the base only by using the columns. So in the same way, first for constructing the quadrilateral we are going to create a creating the base. Base has been drawn a rough sketch over here. So we are going to take the measurement 4.5 centimeter, taking it as a baseline. Okay. So our first steps is to take the baseline. That is, take your scale. You have to take your scale, keep the pencil at 0 of the scale and mark the 4.5 centimeter with the help of your scale and pencil. You have to draw a straight line of measurement 4.5 centimeter with the help of your scale. आपकी help scale और pencil की help से straight line draw करना है जिसका measurement 4.5 centimeter होगा, and label it as A. Give the name A and B. Clear up to here? After doing this, what you have to do next? BC. BC you are having. So you are having, everybody is having needle in your home. In that needle, stick the pencil in such a way that the pencil and the needle point should be equal. That means जो pencil और needle का part होगा वो equal होना चाहिए. So that you, if suppose you are having this copy, keep the pencil and needle and keep it on the plane of the paper, so that the point of pencil and the needle should be same, not up and down. ऊपर नीचे नहीं होना चाहिए, एकदम बराबर लेवल पे होना चाहिए. ठीक है. Now what you have to do for that, student, in order to for the measurement BC, take the measurement. You know how to take the measurement in the rounder. Suppose this one is your rounder. Okay. This one is the pencil. This is the pencil. Okay, this one is the needle. This should be in the level. Both should be in the level form. Now with this part, with the help of this rounder, you have to measure. What you have to measure? You have to measure 4.5 centimeter with the help of scale. Scale ऐसा straight रखेंगे. This one is the 0 of the scale. Okay, this one is scale. This one is the 0 of the scale. Keep the needle of the rounder here at 0 and stretch the pencil part till this is the pencil part of the needle. This one is the needle of the rounder. Okay, stretch the pencil part up to how much is given, that is 5.5. So 5.5 centimeter. Clear? कैसे मेजर करना है? दैट मीन्स ऑन द माउथ ऑफ योर राउंडर यू हैव टू मेजर 5.5 सेंटीमीटर विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर स्केल। स्केल को ऐसा स्ट्रेट रख करके निडल का पॉइंटर 0 में रखो और जो पेंसिल पार्ट है उसको 5.5 स्केल के स्ट्रेच करना है। नाउ रिमूविंग द स्केल, दैट नीडल इज हैविंग द मेजरमेंट 5.5। क्लियर? दैट नीडल यू हैव टू कीप इट एट बी। उस नीडल को, नीडल पार्ट को आपको पॉइंट बी पे रखना है एंड यू हैव टू मेक अ आर्क। पेंसिल वाले पार्ट से एक आर्क बनाना है। क्लियर एवरीवन? आफ्टर गेटिंग दिस आर्क, नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी विल कम टू द AC। As we want the intersection, this is called as arc। लेकिन आर्क में एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बनाने या कोई भी लाइन बनाने के लिए उसमें डबल आर्क की जरूरत पड़ता है। Like this, the arc should be there in order to pass one line, isn't it? So here we are going to take AC. A is there, C will be goes to like this. As after B, the angles comes as C. That's why. So what is AC we are having? By the rough sketch we are having AC as 7 centimeter. So again by the same process, keep the needle at the scale 0, stretch the pencil part of the needle up to the, how much? Up to you have to stretch, that is 7 centimeter. That means on the mouth of your rounder you have to measure 7 centimeter. Okay, and after measuring, keep the needle at point A, draw an arc so that it intersects the first arc. Got an arc like this? Since you got an arc, what you have to do? You have to, with the help of your scale, you have to draw one straight line. Scale की help से एक straight line आपको draw करना है। Clear everyone? After this, what is the next we are having? CD. Or before that CD, we are going to take AD. Okay. So AD is 6.6 centimeter. So again on the mouth of your rounder you have to measure 6 centimeter by using the same process. मालूम है ना कि राउंडर पे कैसे मेजर करते हैं 6 सेंटीमीटर? नेडल वाला पार्ट स्केल के 0 में रख करके पेंसिल वाला पार्ट 6 सेंटीमीटर स्केल के तक स्ट्रेच करना है। Then after remove the scale so that your needle, on the mouth of your needle you are having the 6 centimeter distance. That needle you have to keep it at point A. उस needle को point A पे रखना है और एक आर्क ऐसा बनेगा। Clear? You will get an arc like this. You will get an arc like this. Okay. After getting the arc like this, what you have to do? You have to, again you are having how much centimeter we had created? AD is equals to 6 centimeter. The CD measurement is left out. That CD measurement we are going to intersect over here. You have to create a line over here. Clear? Then for that what you have to do, student? Again on the mouth of your rounder you have to measure 4 centimeter. As I told you beforehand how to take the measurement of the needle. So in the same way you have to take the measures on the mouth of the needle, that is 4 centimeter. Okay. Keeping the same needle at point, keeping the needle or the rounder here at point C. Draw another arc. Okay, here you got an arc. So this arc will be going to be joined over here. Okay, now like this D part, this is the C part. Clear everyone? So 4.5 centimeter we are having this side, isn't it? Then BC we are having as 5.5 centimeter, CD we are having as 4 centimeter, and AD measurement we are having as 6 centimeter. And the diagonal AC we are having how much centimeter? That is 7 centimeter. So in this way you can construct a quadrilateral whose measurement is being given in the book. क्वेश्चन में मेजरमेंट दिया हुआ है, उस मेजरमेंट की हेल्प से आप इस तरह से क्वाड्रिलेटरल बनाएंगे। ठीक है। आफ्टर कंस्ट्रक्टिंग दिस स्टूडेंट यू हैव टू राइट द स्टेप्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन। Here you have to write the steps of construction. What you have to write in the step of construction? Whichever the method we are applied over here, that method you have to write in words. जो प्रोसेस हमने किया है यहाँ पर कंस्ट्रक्ट करने का, जो जो काम किया है उस काम को आपको अपने ओन सेंटेंस में यहाँ स्टेप ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन में लिखना है. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू राइट स्टेप ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन इन द practical geometry chapter. Clear everyone? Next question we are going to do. Second question. What is the second question we are having? We have to create a quadrilateral. Again you have to draw a quadrilateral of the given measurement from exercise 4.1. Okay, so here is 4.1, question number 2. The name of the quadrilateral is given here, JUMP. Jump, it is given, the name of the quadrilateral is what? Jump, it is given JUMP, and the measurement is being given as JU is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Clear? UM is given as 4 centimeter. MP is given as 5 centimeter. PJ is given as 4.5 centimeter. Then PU is given as 6.5 centimeter. This is the second question from exercise 4.1. Okay. Now what we have to do with the help of this measurement, first what we are going to do, we are going to construct a rough sketch. Always dear student remember that जब भी आप कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क करते हैं तो एक रफ स्केच आपको या तो इमेजिन करना है, अगर आप इमेजिन नहीं कर पा रहे तो उसको आपको साइड में, कॉपी के साइड में आपको ड्रॉ करके देखना है कि ऐसा बनेगा मेरा कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क पे। एज फॉर द ड्राइंग ऑफ दिस बिल्डिंग इन आवर होम, जब हम कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू कंस्ट्रक्ट आवर हाउस, बिफोर कंस्ट्रक्टिंग दैट हाउस what we are having that map, isn't it? So in the same way here also we have to draw a rough sketch of that particular measurement. So here it is, the name of the quadrilateral is JUMP. So first we will take the base as J. Okay, JU 3.5 centimeter. Then UM, maybe UM will be 4 centimeter. Here M. Then MP will be here, that is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter मतलब 3.5 से ज़्यादा होगा, है ना? Then here P. Then PJ will be joined over here 4.5 centimeter, and PU, that means the diagonal is also given as 6.5 centimeter. यहाँ पर diagonal भी दिया हुआ है, ठीक है? So this kind of a rough sketch is being made. Now first step is to create the base. So what is the base we are going to create? J. With the help of JU we are going to create a base. So we keep the scale on your copy. Draw a straight line 3.5 centimeter. With the help of your scale and pencil you have to draw a straight line. Okay, that measurement of the straight line will be 3.5 centimeter. After this what you have to do? You have to, next measurement is given as UM. After JU the point will come as M. Okay, M will come upward. So what is the measurement of U we are having? That is 4 centimeter. So on the mouth of your rounder you have to measure 4 centimeter. As I told you in the previous question, in the same way you have to measure 4 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder. After measurement, keep the needle on at point U. Keeping the needle at point U, draw an arc. Okay, needle यहाँ पर रख करके पेंसिल वाला पार्ट स्ट्रेच करके आपको एक आर्क ड्रॉ करना है. Then after we will get a point. Okay, after that PJ, one more point we are having. PJ is 4.5. So this 4.5 you have to measure on the mouth of your rounder. Then keeping the needle at point J, draw an arc. After drawing an arc, you will get the point like this, isn't it? Now MP is we are having. How much it is? 4.5 centimeter. This one is P. Clear? Now this one is 4 centimeter. Join these two lines. It will be 5 centimeter. Now next one is, what is our diagonal? We are having PU. So for that diagonal what we have to do? PU is our diagonal, isn't it? What is the measurement we are having? That is 6.5. So that measurement we have to measure on the mouth of your rounder, keeping the needle at point U, draw another arc. As I told you that 2 arc is essential for one line to be crossed. Okay, so here the another point we will got here. So draw that diagonal PU. Diagonal PU is how much? 6.5 centimeter. So this kind of figure you will get in question number 2 of exercise 4.1. Clear? Next question we are having mode. Clear? What is the next question we are having? more, M-O-R-E, more, and with the help of that we have to draw a quadrilateral, a parallelogram. The name of the quadrilateral is given as a parallelogram. So here what you have to do, student, you have to draw a parallelogram. M-O-R-E. Measurement is given. O-R is equals to 6 centimeter. R-E is equals to 4.5 centimeter. E-O is equals to 7.5 centimeter. It is given like that. So as we know that the parallelogram diagram is like this. ऐसा बनता है parallelogram का diagram. So यहाँ पर M-O-R-E will be the rough sketch we are creating over here. So what is the measurement given? M-O is not given. O-R is given, isn't it? So we will consider O-R as a base. That is 6 centimeter. Then R-E. R-E that is here given as 4.5 centimeter. Then E-O. E-O here that is 7.5 centimeter. And now you will say that teacher, from which measurement we are going to draw this line and this way, isn't it? So as you know that by the property of a parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel to each other. That's why here okay. So as we know that the opposite sides are parallel to each other by the property of a parallelogram. So RE is given as 4.5 centimeter. Therefore MO will be also equals to 4.5 centimeter. In the same way as in the question, OR is given as a 6 centimeter. Therefore ME is also equals to 6 centimeter. Clear? So this is the rough sketch of a diagram. Clear everyone? With this rough sketch you have to draw the parallelogram. So first thing is that with the help of your scale you have to draw one straight line of measurement 6 centimeter and label it as a OR. What you have to label? Label it as a OR. Okay. After labeling it OR, on the mouth of your rounder you have to measure how much? 4.5 centimeter. समझ आ गया ना कैसे मेजर करते हैं राउंडर के माउथ पे? So measure 4.5 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder. Keep the needle at point R. Draw one arc. And with the same, क्योंकि उसका opposite sides जो है वो parallelogram की opposite sides आपस में equal होता है. So with the same measurement, keeping the needle at point O, draw another arc. Like this, the two arcs with the same measurement you have to draw. Okay. After that, take the 7.5 measurement. Now on the mouth of your rounder you have to take the measure 7.5 on the mouth of your rounder. Keeping the needle at point O, draw another arc. Okay. Now you got an intersection line. Now with that intersection line you have to join with the help of your scale and pencil you have to join. As this line will act as a diagonal for the parallelogram. Clear? Join this line also, as this measurement is already given. This one is E part, isn't it? Now we got half part of the parallelogram. Now after this, here this one is a 6 centimeter. Measurement of OR is a 6 centimeter. That means its opposite sides is also equal. So measure 6 centimeter on the mouth of your rounder. Keeping the needle at point E, draw an intersection point. 6 centimeter measurement लेना है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो OR होगा वो आपके ME जो opposite side है parallelogram का उसका equal होगा. क्यों equal होगा? क्योंकि उसकी प्रॉपर्टी है, पैरेललोग्राम की प्रॉपर्टी है कि उसके ऑपोजिट साइड्स जो है वो आपस में इक्वल होता है, इसलिए. ठीक है. सो ऑन द माउथ ऑफ योर राउंडर मेजरिंग 6 सेंटीमीटर, कीपिंग द नीडल एट पॉइंट ई. नीडल को ऐसे रखना. ठीक है. कीपिंग द नीडल एट पॉइंट ई और एक आर्क कैसे ड्रॉ करना. क्लियर. सो ड्रॉइंग दैट यू विल गेट an intersection point. That intersection point you have to join with E as well as with O. उस intersection point को आपको E से और O से ऐसे join करना है. क्लियर, समझ आया? So here we can write 6 centimeter. Here point M, here 4.5 centimeter, and this side is 7.5 centimeter. So here our question number 3 is over. So dear student, here we had completed our question number 3 from exercise 4.1 chapter number 4 practical geometry. Okay, the fourth question that you have to create a rhombus. As you know that rhombus, all the four sides are equal, okay, as well as the diagonals, the two diagonals which is created inside that is also equal. This is the rhombus only. It's a rhombus. So if we are going to draw BE 4.5, so here also 4.5, here also 4.5, here also 4.5 centimeter. That means all the four sides of measurement you have to take it as a 4.5 centimeter. Why you have to take it as a 4.5 centimeter? Because it's all the sides are of equal rhombus. rhombus की प्रॉपर्टी ये है कि उसके चारों साइड्स का मेजरमेंट होता है वो सेम होता है, इसलिए चारों साइड्स का मेजरमेंट आप ड्रॉ जब करोगे तो उसको 4.5 लेना. सबसे पहले आप बेस ड्रॉ करना 4.5, देन on the mouth of your rounder you have to measure 4.5 centimeter. Keeping the needle here, draw an arc, 2 arc, because here also 4.5 will come, here also 4.5 will come. Okay, then with the help of the diagonal, diagonal एक दिया हुआ है आपके measurement में, diagonal is ET. Okay, BEST. So ET is the diagonal is being given. So measurement how much? 6. So keeping the needle here, draw another arc so that you will get it. Okay, again same here, keep the needle at point B, draw another arc. So like this you will get a rhombus. ऐसा करके आपको rhombus मिलेगा. ठीक है. So here our exercise 4.1 is completed. In the next video we are going to see the exercise 4.2. So dear student, if you are having any doubt, can directly ask me through the WhatsApp.